안녕하세요, Venice and Heart Jane.
안녕하세요.
Las Vegas name gives you a t-shirt, so please receive.
Las Vegas 님 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Venice.
안녕하세요.
Las Vegas name give you a hot dog.
Las Vegas team 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Las Vegas team. Thank you for the corn dog and the t-shirts. T-shirt.
안녕하세요. Las Vegas team. 잘 보고 있습니다.
Saan meron corn dog?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kita Jeremy.
Stop na eh. Mani corn dog. Cheers!
Cheers.
Picture mo.
Cheers!
Okay, stop.
This is good. Ako ba yung chami? Ay, Sherman din. Kami dyan libre, negro. Cheese mo ni. Kung ano yun, pa. Oh, man, mag-gapo. Maagod. Na? Nagdal dapat.
Para din half meso.
Expected. Reading yun sa Carter.
25 ka pala.
Ano? Expected grade sa panda. 85 or 86. Nagdamay mo na ka? Kaya ba?
Agreed, you know?
Good. Nag-prepare ba? Expected or good?
Why not?
Basta sa
86 or 87.
Mga 80 plus na ko. 80 plus?
Wala.
What? Ano ba? Sabi mo ba? First time may nakita balik ko.
What's a chopstick? Chopstick.
First time may nakita balik ko siya rin. Ano?
We are the Team Las Vegas team. 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo. So we are here at Quezon Mactan because bawal utang name gave 1,000 pesos for me and Kayla to eat Jollibee. And so Robena is with us. So why we are here at Quezon Mactan? Because Robena and Kayla is magpa-polaroid, guys. So we're waiting for our order. So we're moving here at Island Central because there's so many people at Quezon. Ignorant. Here is our order. Bawal utang ni annyeonghaseyo kamsahamnida. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher Nisan.
Today is your memorization day. Go ahead and start.
Best friend. Lily and Mia had been best friends since childhood, always supporting each other. When Mia faced a tough decision, Lily stood by her side.
Very good. Clinton.
Best friend. Lily and Mia have been best friends since childhood, always supporting each other. When Mia faced a tough decision, Lily stood by her side.
Very good. Gina.
Best friend. Lily and Mia had been best friends since childhood, always supporting each other. When Mia faced a tough decision, Lily stood by her side.
Very good. Hey.
Best friends. Best friend. Lily and Mia had been best friends since childhood, always supporting each other. When Mia faced a tough decision, stood by her side.
Very good.
Best friend. Lily and Mia had been best friends since childhood, always supporting each other. When Mia faced a tough decision, Lily stood by her side.
Very good. Nigel.
Best friend. Lily and Mia had been best friends since childhood, always supporting each other. When Mia faced a tough decision, Lily.
Okay, our topic for the day is grammar punctuation. So what is punctuation?
Punctuation is the use of symbols to separate and clarify meaning in written text. It helps readers understand what is being said and how to read it.
So, what is the examples of? Give me some examples of punctuation.
Comma.
So again.
Full stop. Colon. Question mark. At sign. Ellipsis mark. Quotation marks. Underline. Square brackets. Slash. Apostrophe. Exclamation mark. Hyphen. Dash. Parentheses.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Sheila.
So, atong himuon ron is mag-general filming ta ha. So, mag-grupo tag tulo. Start na.
Likod.
Princess, Jepreda, Chan, RG, our Tigawaragi, Lawrence, Kipper, James, Simon, Robina, Nigel, Juliet, Gina, James, Ella and Evelette, Shane, Ayesha, Precious, Kissy, Ira, and Shara, and also Angeline. Nag-inusara yo.
Guys, so karon day guys kay malabami sa among puti guys. So hi guys, so ate guys, tabangan ko niyag laba guys. So ato po siyang tabangan guys. So dali guys, see you guys. Guys. kami guys.